What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna say goodbye. So don't pay attention to the embarrassing pictures on the fridge now. Yeah, don't pay attention to that. No. What we're saying goodbye to is my Hot Rod Red M4. What does saying goodbye mean? What exactly am I talking about? Yo, this shirt is nice, right? Look, you got the seat, you got the logo, the pistons, the spark plugs. This shit is crazy. I love these shirts. I gotta buy more. eBay. Anyways, what does it mean to say goodbye? What it means is, stay tuned. Hello, Uber? Is this my Uber? I haven't seen my car black in 2 years, right? This shit is crazy. And the center caps really pop now too. I missed my car. I missed it. I went 2 whole days without it. Dropped off on Thursday, just picked up on Saturday, got it back. Guess who's back? Guess who's back in black? I'm a happy camper, baby. I'm black at it again. We black at it again. Oh, I'm a happy camper. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say that. I'm such a happy camper right now. Like, I knew I would like when I went back black and all of the red accents would pop, the new wheels. I'm so happy I got the red center caps for my new wheels from Apex, the VX5 RSs. I'm so happy I didn't get black wheels, but I got anthracite, so you can see them. They don't disappear. Especially now with the black car, it's a perfect contrast. I'm so excited. You can hear how fast I'm talking. Like, yeah, I'm really like into this. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I especially love how my 15-year anniversary logos, the roundels, the emblems on the hood and on the trunk look. And speaking of the trunk, I decided to have them take that trunk lip off. So there's no spoiler on the trunk right now. I do have plans for something new, but you have to wait and see about that. It's gonna be a whole different setup. I'm about to get a BBL for the car if you think about it. That might be the best way to put it. But don't hold me to that. But we shall see. We shall see. Plus, I still need a new lip. A new lip would be amazing. But the no front lip look has really grown on me. Like, I just have those carbon splitters, you know, at the corners there. And it's, especially with black, I'm rambling on because I'm happy. I'm happy, I'm passionate. I don't know what else to tell you. And I have more plans for this. Unfortunately, all of this stuff costs money, so I might have to scale back on how soon I do those new ventures and plans and ideas I have for the car, whether it's downpipes, whether it's carbon fiber parts, whether it's, you just never know, whether it's tints. I gotta stop dropping so many damn hints, because it's all stuff that's coming up. I'm gonna be doing it. It's gonna happen, but I'm gonna take my time and enjoy the process. And I want to thank you guys for watching this video and sticking with me. We shall see if you're still gonna be sticking with me, because it's no longer a Hot Rod Red M4. I mean, the channel's still named that. I still feel like that, but it's now Black Sapphire Metallic. Everyone's favorite headache, Black Sapphire Metallic. It's a black car, shiny, it's glossy. But yeah, once again, shout out to Waterworks. They're out in Lynbrook, in Long Island, New York. Amazing service. Wow, we hit some traffic right now, but I love seeing the reflection of the car and this black Range Rover in front of me. See, that's why I like when people clean their cars, keep their cars shiny and clean. So when I'm in traffic, and as a BMW driver, you're supposed to tailgate. Allegedly, that's the stereotype. So if I were to live up to a stereotype and, you know, get a little extra close to this guy here, I can see a nice, good reflection of my beautiful Black Sapphire Metallic M4 Competition. Baby, this thing is amazing. I am a happy camper. I look like an idiot right now in traffic, talking to a camera, smiling my ass off in a car with no tints. I probably look crazy to these people, but you know what? Y'all in regular traffic. I'm in my dream car. And this could be regular traffic for people with money and, you know, people of higher status. But you know what? This is my dream car, and I'm a happy camper, and I love it. So I would have loved to gotten some clips of having the car unwrapped. That would have been great content for the channel. I know it would have been. But see, the way things work when you take a car to a professional shop and they have a lot going on and you want things done right, what you do is you're gonna have to leave your car there for a couple of days. Like I said, I left mine there for 2 days so they can handle everything and do what they need to do. So I wasn't able to get any clips, and plus, you know, obviously life happens. You have to get going and do your thing and move on. But I'm sure in another lifetime, I'll probably unwrap the car myself in the driveway, made content for the channel, and it would have been good content. It would have been, you know, funny to see me struggle with it. But the paint, it would not have come out that great, I bet. It would not have came out that great on my own. There'd be a lot of risk of damaging the paint underneath. Like when the wrap came off, like Omar reached out to me and let me know, like, the paint's looking kind of hazy, but they're gonna take care of it and do what they gotta do. My car's looking really good. I've got 60,000 miles on it right now. All right, let me rephrase that. I got 61,000 and change. It's a 2018, you know, it gets driven. It's a daily driven car. So it's gonna have imperfections. Like my wrap was only on for 2 years, but the wear and tear on that wrap from all the dings and scratches and crazy swirls and blase blah, that had to have been like 4 to 5 years of wear and tear on it in the 2 years span I had it, because it's a daily driven car. So that's gonna happen. I don't know how you guys feel about content where I just ramble on, but sometimes this is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Like, I got a lot to get across, and some people really like hearing from me. Even if it's just that one person, shout out to you, one person. Shout out to you, because I appreciate all the views and the comments, all the engagement. I love when I click on this stuff and I see that people are watching it, engaging with it, and there's genuine feedback. People have questions. People have genuine questions and want to know things, and I'm here like trial by error. I'm the one actually out here doing stuff for the average Joe, you know, things that you probably would do with your car. So I'm pretty much doing it, and you can learn through me and get ideas up for your own and do your own thing. So what's coming up now? I've got brand new exhaust tips, because I'm not a fan of these titanium burnt blue ones. So I have brand new exhaust tips that I'm going to be putting on. Stay tuned for that. I might include it in this video. Let's see. Because if you stuck with it this far and just heard me ramble, I got to give you some more content for real, for real. Parents aren't home, so you know what that means. Exhaust tip in the fridge. I got brand new exhaust tips that came through just yesterday, just in time. It's almost like the universe knew I was getting my car back, and I got brand new tips here because I was not a fan of the titanium ones that came with that aftermarket exhaust I got there. I really hope I bought the right size. We about to find out right now. This inlet should be 2.5, which I believe is the inlet size of the titanium system I have on the car now. So let's hope this baby fits. Okay, let's see. So now I really hope I bought the right size and that this is really a 2.5-inch inlet so that these bad boys will fit. Just look at that, way better, way better. Now let's hope it fits. Wow. Look at that. Just test fitting this. I finally have straight cut tips. Straight cut exhaust tips. Because I've always had these angle cut ones. But now I'm trying out the straight cut look. Wow. That's way better. Look at that. That's fantastic. I got brand new exhaust tips. These babies are fire, right? They look really sharp. Well, they're literally sharp because look, they cut me up real good. Already got blood on them, or from right there. This piece cut the shit out of me. I've just had a black car back for let's say it's been like an hour and a half. Already got bird shit. The birds knew. The birds knew to humble me real quick. They're like, oh, you back with a black car? You know what time it is. So I'm gonna have to adjust the tips on the left side there, but look how good that looks. Oh my god, I love it, I love it. Damn, RIP to these. My work kicks here. RIPs. I need a new pair.
So like, this is the upgraded high pressure fuel pump. You can see my intercooler piping down there. I got a twin cooler, so I still reuse the factory intercooler. I got my downpipe right up there. Like, yo, there's mad room to work with. That's my CTS downpipe.
You could just stick a fist in there.
Yeah. Yo, like, to be honest, like, if like somebody like who didn't know about Wilson, they think my car only had an intake on.
Okay, yeah, I can see that.
Yeah.
It's a good looking intake though. This is a
yeah, exactly.
It's like bling for the engine bay.
Literally. Like, to be honest, like if the parts weren't so expensive, like I wanna. So like all here just pulls air, literally. The only thing is, like, I lack flutter noises because it's a closed intake. Because I don't have time to deal with that cleaning shit, bro.
I'm seeing mad space and mad opportunity to like do shit.
Yeah, bro. Like it's crazy. Like for 80,000 mile car, bro. Like the engine bay is pretty clean. Like I try to keep it as clean as possible. I nearly fried my ECU one time. My battery used to touch the fucking firewall.
Yeah.
You can see there's a little burnt on the side. I nearly fried the whole shit, bro. Shit was ridiculous. For real?
I took the fucking Rambo, bro.
No fucking way. Yo, if
I missed my black car, bro. I'm telling you.
Yo, if I call a riff, yo, he's gonna cry.
Don't do that.
Cry.
I know, he told me that. He told me that.
He's gonna cry.
Don't do that.
He's gonna cry.
I told him, he told me about that.
Yo, he's gonna cry.
Yo, I love how the Roundel looks.
So gangster.
I love how this shit looks with the black, bro.
The 25th anniversary.
And then look, the red really pops now because it's black.
Yeah.
Doggy,
Wow,
I love it,
bro. You really took off the wrap. That's crazy.
Yo, look at the wheels, because the wheels are anthracite. They're not black, so the contrast is there.
More, yeah.
And then the red caps. I'm like, yo, my god.
Oh my god, yo, I can't.
The next move gotta be like tints and shit. I took the spoiler off too because I like the wingless look, but I just need like a bigger diffuser. But yeah, yo, them shits is blue and gold.
That is it, bro. That is it, bro.
Because look, it matches the system. The system is titanium, so it matches the blue.
Yeah, I see it.
And the little carbon and everything. Doggy,
Bro,
I'm telling you, I'm a happy camper.
That is. To be honest, I would if I owned a M4, I would have tinted it.